Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Peggy. For today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be DIY a fashion designer brand outfit inspired by Valentino Spring 2021 ready to wear collection. The beautiful neon green lace top with white sleeves. The designer Pierpaolo Piccioli, who artfully combined the house heritage, which dates back to 1959, with the mood of the moment. Honestly, I think this is literally such a beautiful outfit, so I decided to DIY it. Anyway, without further ambling, let's get into the tutorial. And here is how this little top looked. I'm actually quite impressed with how this turns out. Don't forget to pop up in the descriptions. I put link to all of the past video where I made. As usual, more photo of this top will be on my Instagram @PeggyPeggy. And don't forget, if you make any of these, use hashtag #MakeWithPeggyPeggy so I can find it and shower love on it. If you are all the way here without subscribing, just subscribe, hit the bell notification. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Wait, I'm not done yet. If you do like lace, then you are the lucky one, as we still have this trend going strong. There are pretty much lots of awesome ways how to wear it in the real life. So please stay tuned for my 10 ways to style this beautiful lace top, and you will not want to miss it. See you, ya!